Making a plan for your future and deciding what you'd like to do for a career can be intimidating. Fortunately, there are more options out there than just the traditional 2- or 4-year college routes. Trade schools like Universal Technical Institute can help students earn degrees and certifications in a shorter period of time, which can be applied to an in-demand career. It's expected that there will be a combined total of more than 1 million auto and diesel technicians and welders nationally by 2029, making now a great time to get trained for a career in the skilled trades. If you decide that attending a trade school like UTI is right for you, it's important to be familiar with the application process. One of the basic requirements for attending trade school is to earn your high school diploma or state-issued GED. And there are age requirements for attendance that can vary by state. Applying for a trade school is a relatively simple process that requires gathering necessary documents and paying an application fee. The trade school will then have you choose a program and collect your eligibility and financial information. Students who attend UTI can choose from a range of programs to help prepare them for careers they're passionate about. These include automotive technology, diesel technology, welding technology, collision repair and refinish technology, CNC machining technology, motorcycle technology, marine technology. You can take the non-traditional route and prepare for an exciting future by attending UTI. Check out the links in our description to learn more about how to get started.